Hello students, today's learning topic is plastic and the environment. Okay. Next point is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. A material which gets materials like vegetables, fruits, dairy products, etc. are decomposed through natural process such as action by bacteria is called biodegradable waste. Okay. And a material which is materials like plastic which is not easily decomposed by natural process is called non-biodegradable waste. Okay. Next point is composting. Biodegradable waste are converted into manure. This process are called composting. Okay. Biodegradable waste like fruit peels, vegetables remains, dry leaves are stored in green dustbin. And non-biodegradable waste, plastic, metallic waste, broken glasses are stored in blue dustbin. Non-biodegradable waste takes several years ago to decompose. It is not environment friendly. It causes environmental pollution. Besides, the burning process in the synthetic materials is quite slow. It does not get completely burned easily. Okay. So, avoid the use of non-biodegradable waste. Okay. Next, types of waste, appropriate time taken to degenerate, nature of material. First, peels of vegetable and fruits, leftover foodstuffs, etc. 1 to 2 weeks to degenerated. It is a biodegradable waste. Second, paper 10 to 30 days to degenerated. It is a biodegradable waste. Third, cotton cloth 2 to 5 months to degenerated. It is a biodegradable waste. Fourth, wood 10 to 15 years to degenerated. It is a biodegradable waste. Fifth, woolen clothes about a year to degenerated. It is a biodegradable waste. Next, tin, aluminium and another metal cans 100 to 500 years to degenerated. It is a non-biodegradable waste. Next, plastic bags several years to degenerated. It is a non-biodegradable waste. Okay. And as a responsible citizen, remember 5R principle. R. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover and repair. Okay? First principle is reducing. Reduce use of paper by digital communications. Reduce the use of plastic bag by using cotton bag. Okay? Next, reuse. Reuse means to use again or find another way to use a materials. For example, waste paper can be make decorative things. Waste plastic bottles used to grow plants. Next, waste clothes can be make cotton bags. Okay? Next is recycling. What is recycling? Recycling means to process the waste materials so that can be used again. Most of thermoplastic can be recycled. For example, thermoplastics are paper, plastic and glass are recycled. For example, plastic bottles are recycled to create a new product. Okay? Next is repurpose or recover, means converting waste into resources, using waste for a different purposes. Okay? Next is refuse. We can refuse to use products which are harmful to the environment. No more plastic bag use. No more plastic cups are used. Okay? No to using product which harm to the environment. Okay? Chapter 3 is over. Okay?